Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Money Mastermind, where we help you achieve financial success through smart personal finance and business strategies. In this video, we'll be discussing how to set up a budget for your small business or side hustle. A budget is a critical tool for any business or entrepreneur, as it helps you stay on top of your expenses and make informed decisions about your finances. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and tools you need to create a budget that works for your business. So, let's dive in. Section 1. The benefits of having a budget. Before we dive into the specifics of setting up a budget, let's first talk about why having a budget is so important. There are many benefits to having a budget, including helping you track your expenses and revenue, making it easier to plan for the future, allowing you to make informed decisions about your finances, helping you avoid overspending or running out of money, giving you a better understanding of your business's financial health. As a small business or side hustler, having a budget is crucial for your success. Without a budget, you risk running your business into the ground due to financial mismanagement. Section 2. Steps to create a budget. Now that we understand why having a budget is important, let's dive into the steps to create a budget for your small business or side hustle. Step 1. Determine your income. The first step in creating a budget is to determine your income. This includes any revenue that your business generates. You should track your income on a monthly or quarterly basis, depending on how often you generate revenue. Step 2. Track your expenses. The second step is to track your expenses. This includes any costs associated with running your business, such as rent, utilities, supplies, and payroll. You should track your expenses on a monthly or quarterly basis, depending on how often you pay your bills. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. Once you've tracked your expenses, the next step is to categorize them. This will help you get a better understanding of where your money is going and make it easier to identify areas where you can cut back. Common expense categories include rent and utilities, supplies and equipment, payroll and benefits, marketing and advertising, taxes and fees. Step 4. Set financial goals. Now that you know how much money you're bringing in and how much you're spending, it's time to set financial goals for your business. This could include things like increasing revenue by a certain percentage, reducing expenses by a certain amount, saving a specific amount of money for a future investment. Step 5. Create your budget. Finally, it's time to create your budget. Start by allocating your income to your expense categories based on your spending history and financial goals. Be sure to set aside some money for unexpected expenses, such as emergency repairs or unexpected bills. Once you've created your budget, review it regularly to ensure you're staying on track. Section 3. Tips for sticking to your budget. Now that you've created a budget, it's important to stick to it. Here are a few tips to help you stay on track. Use budgeting software or tools to help you stay organized. Avoid overspending by tracking your expenses regularly. Stay focused on your financial goals. Be willing to make adjustments to your budget as needed. Section 4. Conclusion. And that's it. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a budget that works for your small business. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. We'll be uploading more useful videos about finance and personal wealth. Stay tuned.